Discovery Turbo Helicopter Ident bloopers. Oh God! Today is Valentine's Day! No! Unhappy Valentine's Day! Unhappy Valentine's Day! Unhappy Valentine's Day! Unhappy Valentine's Day! And no one better call me heartless, or else you are grounded! While this is happening, we'll just begin the episode. Places everyone, roll camera, cue the ident. What? No, for short ident! Make this ident even longer! No! Ah, great. We've begun the episode and Ross is at it. This is why we don't do Valentine's Day, folks. Marvel's 24 Snap Ident Bloopers, the 100% Jack Coey local blooper episode of the BMS's YouTube channel. And it is not Disney Channel Arabian Market Ident Bloopers, or whatever that stupid channel is called. And if it is that, then I will ban Valentine's Day forever. Oh hey, that's the exact same face I make when Grover is gonna join Seven. Well, imagine if that does happen one day. Discovery trouble? Oh God, I think I know where this is gonna go. Not even 5 minutes into the episode, and already the alarm's going off. I presume this is going to be a short logo blooper episode, I guess, because of Ross. Hey, don't blame it on me! Anyways, let's see which hero we get today. Oh no! It's Trumpy Pumpy!
Yes, that's me, Donald Trump, and I always come back.
So what are you here for, Trump?
Well, Poopface, I am here for everyone at 7, because they were bullying Ross Miller, and I'm also here, because the ident is too short.
Not to mention that Donald Trump is also here because today's Valentine's Day, in which Valentine's Day sucks! Seriously, Ross? All of those reasons are just stupid. And this is why Ross needs serious therapy. No! Screw therapy! Screw short idents! And screw Valentine's Day! I am way better than all of these!
Anyways, if Valentine's Day doesn't get cancelled, then I shall dump my waste all over the entirety of the 7 crew except for Ross.
That's not gonna happen, so shut up. Hey! Don't you dare tell Donald Trump to shut up! You know what? That's it! Donald Trump, dump your waste all over the entirety of the 7 crew, and make sure they don't escape!
Roger, will go, Ross. Now, we're wild eyes. Oh yes, let's get them all. On. Ouch. Begin again. By Jim Carrey. Ow. I'm out of here.
Well, it looks like that Jim Carrey saved the day. Yup. Anyways, let's get back on with the stick. Roll camera, cue the ident. Yes, we got the ident correct. What? We got the ident correct on Valentine's Day? Oh, whoa. Strand, aka the United Strand. How dare you get the Ident correct on Valentine's Day? You do realize that has ruined my day completely. And you know what? That's it. You are grounded until Manchester United win 5 games in a row, which is probably never. Go to your room right now. Well, at least it was worth it. Ross, just stop it already. No, I will not. And also, next time we do a logo blooper episode, I'll make sure that no one gets the idea correct. Oh god, please don't. Anyways, I think it's getting late, so let's pick things up in the morning. Good night, everybody.